count. Facing each challenge with no fear or doubt. With fire inside, your purpose is clear. Turning each setback to another gear. No stopping the dream, no slowing the flow. You were born for the climb, let the world know you're unstoppable. Nothing in your way, breaking every barrier, come what may. Feel the power rising, burning bright, taking on the world, ready to ignite. You're unstoppable, climbing higher still, moving every mountain with fearless will. Like a fire within you, wild and untamed, nothing can stop you now. Remember your name. In the heat of the night, you're setting the pace, moving with a rhythm and effortless grace. Dreams in your mind, with power in your hands, standing up strong while shaping your plans. Every step forward, you're claiming your place.